Welcome to our channel. Speak like a star and let your voice carry power. Confidence begins the moment you open your mouth. Today, learn to speak with presence and impact. Your voice was made to shine. Like and subscribe the channel for daily motivation. Life does not always ask permission. Some mornings begin normally, but something happens and everything feels different. You still have to stand, you still have to meet people, you still have to answer questions. That is where strength begins. Many people think that strength means never feeling pain, never shaking inside, never crying at night. That is not true. Real strength is different. Heart heavy inside, face calm outside. Mind confused inside, wise steady outside. A mother may worry deeply about bills at night, but in the morning she serves breakfast smiling. That is strength speaking. A father may lose work and feel fear inside chest, yet he walks out with clean face and hopeful voice. A student may fail exam and cry in bathroom alone and ask for next chance. That is courage speaking. A woman may hear insult that cuts deeply, yet she replies softly and walks away. That is power speaking. Many tears are private, many recoveries are private. Respect hidden fighters. Sometimes life hurts you, then asks you to attend functions smiling, to meet people smiling, to keep going anyway. That is why never judge quickly. Some quiet people are carrying mountains without complaint. Speak like a star. It does not mean arrogance. It means dignity. It means composure. It means self-respect. A star shines even in dark sky. It does not wait for perfect weather. Learn from that. When your heart is broken, do not let your voice break too. Breathe slowly first, stand straight first, then speak gently. When someone leaves suddenly, you may feel rejected. Still answer life proudly, still greet world kindly. Loss is not identity. When money is low, people often shrink. They avoid people, they feel small. Please do not do like this. Your wallet changes, but your value does not. A man with debt can still speak honorably. A woman with struggle can still speak gracefully. Circumstances are temporary. There are days you feel invisible. No messages, no praise, no support. But you still lift your face, still speak clearly. Self-respect has to be valued first. Some people reveal weakness to everyone they meet, then get mocked later, then get betrayed later. Choose wisely. Not every ear is safe, not every smile is kind. Not every listener cares, not every crowd understands. There is a difference between healing conversation and careless oversharing. No way to place pain, it matters deeply. Tell doctors pain, tell heart wounds to the people you trust. Tell crowds less. Why? Because some people use your wounds as entertainment, as gossip, as leverage. Protecting yourself is not pretending. It's maturity, it's wisdom, it's self-care. A tree in storm bends quietly. It does not announce panic, it simply survives. Be like that. When insulted publicly, many react instantly, then regret later. Power pauses first, then responds wisely. Calmness can be elegant, silence can be sharp. A smile can end arguments. Walking away can win. Learn this art. Early chapters deceive people. Do not explain yourself to those reading one page. Life has many pages. Keep writing. Speak like future you, not wounded yesterday you. Speak like builder, not broken version. Language shapes direction. Say I'm learning, say I'm rebuilding, say I'm focused, say I'm improving. better words, better energy. You do not need loudness to impress. Some strongest voices are soft voices, yet unforgettable. Do not gossip pain everywhere. Pain needs healing places, not noisy places, not careless places. Choose sacred spaces. Some plants grow better in silence. Some dreams grow better in privacy. Some comebacks too. Walk into room not begging acceptance. Walk in contributing value. Walk in with peace. Walk in as yourself. There will be days voice trembles slightly. Hands shake slightly. Heart races quickly. Still speak anyway. Courage is not absence of fear. It is movement while fear exists. That is real courage. You may cry later, that is fine. You may rest later, that's fine. But rise now. Do not call yourself weak because life hurt you. A weak person quits. You are still here. That says enough. Even broken glass can reflect sunlight. Even tired souls can inspire rooms. Even hurt hearts lead. One day people may ask how you stayed strong. Truth may be simple. You may say I kept speaking gently while healing privately. That is star quality. Not fame outside but grace inside. Spotlight outside but light within. So when life tests you, do not collapse publicly. Gather yourself slowly, stand with dignity. Meet world steadily, speak kindly. Speak clearly, speak less, speak truth, speak strength. To trusted people, open heart wisely. To cruel people, offer boundaries only. This is balance. You are allowed to protect softness, to guard healing, to choose privacy, to remain graceful. The world respects those who carry storms. It brings sunshine. Those who know pain, yet speak hope. Become that person, warm but wise, soft but strong, silent but powerful. A person but radiant. Speak like a star even in darkness. Especially in darkness, that is when stars are seen most. Some nights feel endless, yet morning still arrives. Hold yourself together just for one more night. Night is patient. When tears come suddenly, wipe them gently. Not with shame, with compassion. You're healing. A closed door today may save dignity tomorrow. A delay today may prepare confidence tomorrow. When people underestimate you, do not argue loudly. Grow quietly, return stronger. Let surprise speak. The strongest comeback often begins silently. No announcement needed, no daily effort, only steady faith. If nobody claps now, clap for yourself. If nobody sees now, see yourself clearly. That matters first. Some pain stays longer, so wisdom grows deeper. Nothing is wasted. Walk into tomorrow not as victim, but as learner, not as broken, but as becoming. And when life asks again, are you strong enough? Smile softly inside, then answer by rising. Become elegant in speech. Become powerful in silence. Become selective in sharing. Become magnetic in presence. Become unforgettable in life. A crown sits steady, it does not shake. Carry your mind like a crown. Keep moving. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.